Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to you my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. If you first visit my YouTube channel, please subscribe and complete watch this video because it's very information and it's very important video. Today I am explain what personal protective equipment PPE should choose. PPE is its normal use of word. Its mean of personal protective equipment. Its mean of safety part of material PPE. So its mean of safety helmet, safety gloves, earplugs, safety goggles, safety shoes, safety uniform, safety gloves, air muff, safety jacket, safety clip, full body harness, safety jacket, safety helmet, safety shoes, and air plug. It different material use of different work. Safety air muff use high pressure noise to control to higher your ear safety. So safety shoes used to your foot safety and safety jacket it's meant to reflect. It's very foreman but immediately when you see it's visible man. This mean it's safety person to use safety jacket and otherwise worker use only worker level safety jacket. Its definition of personal protective equipment. Definition: devices used to protect an employee from injury or illness resulting from contact with chemical, radiographical, physical, electrical, mechanical, or other workplace hazard. OSHA, again this word visible for you. OSHA means Occupational Safety and Health is UK standard. The need for PPEs and the types of PPEs used in based on hazard present. Each situation must be evaluated independently. Types of PPEs. Also I am explain what is PPEs, but again its slides show front of you again visible what is personal protective equipment. Again visible to full body harness, safety shoes, safety gloves, safety helmet, safety jacket, air mask. What you need to know about personal protective PPEs includes high waist coating, safety footwear, safety harnesses, eye protection, gloves, safety helmets, and harness protection. It's what is difference safe and unsafe for the worker. PPE is a circle critical factor to safety on board. Unsafe and safe. So visible to front. Right side its apply of uniform under of the worker. Right side fully secure and left side it's very dangerous and unsafe. It's mean when you perform the work need to uniform must be needed uniform after you start the work. If you know wear safety gloves, safety helmet, perform the job. If any part apply your head and on the condition your death condition. Understand? It's factorial evidence to PPs for nurses what we need. Safety mask was what we have. It's need every person but you when nursing perform the medical treatment to wear this mask because it save yourself any bacteria not attract your body. Understand? Again, this pictorial evidence applied to PPEs is as essential all as M. It's mean every person and every place of job when you perform the place duty to wear to safety mask because it's control of mm, dust and bacteria and viruses and poison gases to control not attract your throat. We work sex you get sick. It's mean when you not wear safety equipment so you sick in workplace and going to home and stay home. It's property damage case. Property damage case mean when you not present your work after your colleague absent and not give you for payment your salary and cutting your leaves, and if you have present this time job requirement have a balance your leave, it's right, but this time when you sick and go to home and not have leaves, it's cutting your salary. It's mean your problem for you and your family. So when you perform the job, please first care and wear PPEs. It's safety equipment, personal protective equipment. It's additional safety equipment mean first pick slides have a upper side safety goggles, safety harness, and this evidence and picture fly precaution sign and welding sheet and welding uniform and safety cone and safety jackets and safety ring and tube and filter mask and earplug safety equipment. I hope you understand these words and what is used and why use PPs on the job site. So thank you. Please watch this video and understand this part of PPs because it's I think you understand when you perform the job. Take care, not skip any part. Again, I must ask you understand for your friend. Thank you. Take care every time and Allah Hafiz.